Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to share a post on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay. Click on home page Facebook. Okay. Then choose someone post. Okay, click on share icon, just click, then tap on share now and post your Facebook profile. Share this post and click on copy link, copy this post, send messenger any person, just press and paste, then share this post. Okay, then check, click on this post, and that's all. Share a post on Facebook, that's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.